If your pet has got a splinter or a thorn in their paw, they're likely to be protecting themselves or limping a little bit. If you realise that's what's happened, you can either take them to a vet or you can try and take it out yourself if you feel confident to do so. If it's in a joint, please don't take it out. Let the vet take it out because it can actually damage the joint capsule. But otherwise, to take it out, wash the paw under soap and water, and then you would get a nice clean pair of tweezers, and you would carefully grasp the thorn or the splinter, and you would pull it out the way that it has gone in. So nice and firmly out. Protect yourself, because it's going to hurt when this is happening, so if they're likely to nip you, just make sure you're safe. And then it can be helpful just to squeeze the paw slightly and squeeze a little bit of extra blood to make sure everything's out. It shouldn't bleed much. If you need to put a light dressing on it to stop it bleeding, then do so. But always make sure that you are keeping an eye on it, so remove that dressing so you can check that it's not getting infected. If you are worried at all, get them checked by the vet as soon as possible.